Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to solve another equations. This look tricky, but I'm going to make it super easy for you. So first of all, in order to make it easy, we have to represent t equal to x squared plus 2x. Now the equation will be t squared minus 2t minus 3 equal to 0. So then t squared minus 3t and then plus t minus 3 equal to 0. Now I take t in common, then we will get t minus 3 and then plus t minus 3 equal to 0. Then we take t minus 3 in common, then we will get t plus 1. So we will get t minus 3 equal to 0 or t plus 1 equal to 0. Then equivalent to t equals 3, t equal to negative 1. So we have two cases. So case t equal to 3. Then we are looking for the value of x. So then we can substitute into this equation here. That will be x squared plus 2x equal 3. Then x squared plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so we can solve this quadratic equation by factoring this quadratic equation. We will get x plus 3 factor with x minus 1. Then we will get x equal to negative 3 and then x equal to 1. Another case, when t equal to negative 1, then we will get x squared plus 2x equal to negative 1. Then we are looking for the value of x as well. We take negative 1 to the left hand side, then we will get x squared plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So this is in the form of x plus 1 all raised to square. That would be x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to negative 1. Finally, we have solved this equation. Therefore, we got x equal to negative 1, x equal to negative 3, and x equal to 1 as the root of the equation. Okay, I hope you can understand, and thank you so much for watching. And goodbye, see you in the next video.